I'm the Flat Rate Master. Let's take a look at what's going on around the shop. All right, Billy has this Ford Explorer. Water pump's leaking. Imagine that. So he's doing timing chains and all that good stuff. All right, I've got this Acura here. It's got 60,000 miles on it. It's an 06 or 08, something like that. Came in with some weird noise complaints. Never actually duplicated the noise complaint, but his oil pump's leaking and his timing belt has never been done. And also noted that the AC compressor is cycling on and off a lot, so doing a recharge along with oil pump and timing belt and all those goodies. I also have a Jeep Grand Cherokee that's getting an oil cooler. Imagine that. OEM, by the way, not doing Dorman. All right, we got another broken Jeep in the shop. This one is a 2018 and, well, it's got a blown head gasket. Bad blown head gasket. Cylinder 1 misfire. She done. We're waiting for the customer to decide what they're going to do. All right, Paul has this Cadillac. Had to do front and rear calipers along with a master cylinder for a bad brake complaint. Wound up having to also do front wheel studs because, well, they were a little stretched. He also did drive belts on it. Paul also has an engine to do on the Volkswagen Beetle. Customer complaint was the oil light came on. They put a quart of oil in it and it stalled shortly thereafter. Engine is locked up. Luckily for the customer, they have an extended warranty, so there is a brand new remanufactured engine or a brand new engine in there from Volkswagen. So he's working on that. Josh has this Jeep Cherokee, had some heater hoses leaking, some various hoses leaking, so he's replacing those. The new guy, Brent, has this Dodge POS overheat complaint. He has fixed the overheat complaint. Unfortunately, the shop that worked on it last put in all sorts of cheap parts that caused more problems than had to begin with it. So new thermostat, new water pump. After he got done with that, the overheat complaint was done, but had noticed some poor AC performance on test drives. So cooling fan that they'd put in would not work on high. So more fun. Craig knocked out a bunch of stuff, but as per the usual when I do one of these videos, his bay's empty. But tomorrow's Friday, so he'll knock some stuff out. I think he's having a pretty good week. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.